From DoneRight Management. We are in the living room at the Red Elk Lodge doing a quick video tutorial here. Now this is a dish network system using a hopper, or Joey hopper, which basically means that there's a master unit and then a little slave. Now what's going to be important is that you actually have a little green light that's on here. If that's not on, you're not going to be able to have any dish network. Now this is using a Vizio television. The remote is right here. Now it is not a smart enabled TV only because there's no Wi-Fi. So up in the top left hand side we can see where it says Dish Joey, and that's going to be where you want to have your settings. So none of the other source buttons actually work. So as long as you're here, you have complete access. And then you can just change the channels as you normally would. So if you have any questions regarding utilizing the television here, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The number is 208-634-0030. If you've got any further questions, feel free to call. Cheers, and hope you're having a great time.